Matter and materials. Matter and materials. Level 1. Quiz series part 2. So let's dive into the chapter Matter and Materials. Which of the following processes do not consume heat? So here question is, which of the following processes do not consume heat? Is it a condensation? Is it evaporation? Or a freezing or a melting? Condensation, evaporation, freezing and melting. So answer is condensation and freezing. So in these two methods, condensation heat does not consume. So second question is, unit to measure temperature is. Unit to measure temperature is, for answer, Fahrenheit. So temperature is measured in Fahrenheit. Which chalk is moved closer to the screen, shadow size becomes. So when the chalk is moved closer to the screen, shadow size becomes smaller, size same, larger, invisible. So when the chalk is moved closer to the screen, the shadow becomes smaller, same, larger, or invisible. Answer is larger. The activity with candle covered by glass shows. The activity with candle covered by glass shows. So when you do an activity with candle covered by glass, what it shows? Air occupies space, air rises in heating, air is needed for burning, air has pressure. So answer is air is needed for burning. Which diagram correctly represents solid particles? Which diagram correctly represents solid particles? So which diagram represents solid particles? Closely packed, far packed, moving randomly, no particles. So answer is closely packed. In solid, particles are closely packed. Keeping water in open sunlight reduces level due to keeping. When you keep water in sunlight, it reduces due to condensation, evaporation, precipitation, freezing. Answer is evaporation. If container forms a shadow in sunlight, material is. If if container forms a shadow in sunlight, material is wood. It is a wooden or a metallic or a plastic or all of these. Answer is all of this. So when you keep a container, so every material forms a shadow. So next question is, gas molecules have larger spaces between them. Therefore, gases have Gas molecules have larger spaces between them. Therefore, gases have definite shape, definite volume, no definite shape and volume, only definite shape, definite volume. Answer is no definite shape and volume. So, gases do not have definite shape and volume. A substance takes shape of a bowl but volume remains the same. It is solid, liquid, gas or a plasma. So when a substance takes the shape of a ball but volume remains the same, is it a solid, liquid, gas or so? Answer is liquid. Matter with definite properties is called antimatter, substance, material, metal. So when matter with definite properties is called antimatter, substance, material or a metal. Answer is substance. Pure form of matter that exists as objects is called substance, chemicals, mixtures, materials. So pure form of matter that exists as object is called substance, chemicals, mixtures, materials. So answer is material. Pure form of matter is material. Which is not pure substance? Iron rod, liquid water, carbon dioxide, sand. Answer is sand. Sand is not a pure substance. Which process converts ice into water? Freezing, melting, condensation, evaporation. Melting. Answer is melting. Through melting, ice is converted into water. Which state of matter is easiest to compress? Solid, liquid, gas, plasma. Which is the state of matter that is easy to compress? Gas. Gas is very easy to compress. Which of the following is liquid normally? Water, petrol, mercury, all of this. So all of these is the correct answer. So all of these is a correct answer. Water matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms, molecules, cells, grains. Matter is made up of molecules. Butter kept inside refrigerator, it becomes liquid, gas, solid, plasma. It becomes solid. When the butter is kept in the refrigerator, it becomes solid. Solids have no definite shape, no definite volume. Definite shape and volume, only definite value. So solids have definite shape and value. Liquids have definite shape, definite value, no mass. Definite value. Rocks belong to which state of matter? Solid, liquid, gas, plasma. solid. Rocks belongs to solid. So comment your score out of 20. If your score is above 15, then you're a matter expert. So don't forget to subscribe for Olympiad science quizzes. Do follow my channel for Foundation of Science.